Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Gizmo Joe. Today I'll be taking a look at the Tronsmart U5PTA Rapid Desktop Charger. I purchased this device from geekbuying.com for about $20 US, and I'll leave a link in the description for anyone who wants to check it out. This device is a super fast 54 watt 5-port USB charger that is compatible with Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 and VoltiQ. Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 can charge a device approximately 4 times faster than a conventional charger. And in addition, this particular device is also backwards compatible with Quick Charge 1.0 and 2.0. It should be noted, however, that only one of the USB ports supports Quick Charge 3.0. Fortunately, Tronsmart has differentiated that port from the others by making it blue, so it's easily identifiable. The other 4 ports are rated at 2.4 amps, or 12 watts, which is still quite good. However, the charger has a maximum output of 7.2 amps across all ports. This means that it won't be able to deliver the maximum charge to each device if they're all connected simultaneously. Fortunately, VoltiQ integration means that this charger is able to identify each device connected to it and deliver the optimum charge to each one. VoltiQ ensures that power is distributed in the most efficient manner possible, meaning that this particular Tronsmart charger can intelligently divvy up how much power goes into each device. If you had all devices connected to all 4 ports at the same time, the Tronsmart would still be able to supply each device with 1.8 amps or 9 watts to each, which is still fairly impressive. The device itself is pretty compact. It is a rectangular box that measures approximately 16 by 15 by 5 centimeters, and it is fairly lightweight. This, of course, means that it's easy to chuck in a bag and bring with you. The design is unobtrusive, made primarily of matte black plastic with glossy accents around the edges. Since it's designed to lie flat, only the Tronsmart logo is visible from the top, with all of the technical information hidden on the bottom. Finally, as I mentioned earlier, the Quick Charge 3.0 port is blue, making it recognizable almost immediately. In conclusion, the Tronsmart U5PTA Rapid Desktop Charger features intelligent power routing and fast charging. Coupled with an inexpensive price tag and a minimalistic design, I highly recommend it. That's going to do it for this week's episode of Gizmo Joe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next week for a new episode. This is Gizmo Joe, signing off.